Hello children, good morning. So today we are going to start a new chapter in math subject, lesson number 6, geometry. So geometry means you will get so many points recapped. What is meant by line, what is meant by line segment, what is meant by ray, what is meant by diameter, what is meant by radius. These are all topics you will get recapped. Okay, when we say geometry, isn't it? So geometry is also very interesting subject. So let us see the warm-up table. Whom am I? Select the right answer and fill in the boxes. Okay, I am a part of a line with two endpoints. So that is called line segment, which has two endpoints. Whereas line has no endpoints. It can be extended in both directions. Line segment will have two endpoints, part of a line. So I am a polygon with six sides. Six sides means which type of polygon? Hexagon. Hexa means six. Hexagon. Hexagon. I join the center of circle to its circumference. To its circumference. What is that? Diameter. I am the longest chord of the circle, also diameter. I am a part of a line which extends endlessly in one direction. That is ray. Ray will be extended in one direction at any present. Next, I am every point on circle is at equal distance from me. Every point on circle is its equal distance from me. That means it is a radius. Next, I am an eight-sided polygon. 8 means octagon. So for you can't recap. They give answers here. You need to choose according to the bit from here. Understood? So very easy. Bits all these topics we have covered in the fourth class itself. Isn't it, children? Next, today we are going to study about what is meant by angle and what are the measuring angles. What are the measuring angles? So here, see children, page number 173. Let us see this examples. Manjit was looking at a painting on the wall at Ajhar's home. So Manjit, what he is looking, he looks a paint on the wall at Ajhar's home. Wow, it is a very nice painting, Ajhar. Thanks, Manjit. It is a Varli painting. These paintings are made by the tribal people of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Maharashtra and Gujarat. This is the painting. Really, it is very awesome. So they have used geometrical figures like circles, triangles to make figures. Are you saying yes? Yes, Manjit. Even geometry can be used for making beautiful paintings also. Yes, by seeing this figure, we can say we can use geometrical figures and make a picture also. Beautiful picture they make. What an idea! Okay, these types of ideas you should get in this time. So much free time is there. You can get new ideas and you can invent any type of machines which are useful to the society. Yeah, did you notice the dancing figures at the end of painting? Yes, they are the same figures which look different due to the change of angles. Notice the angles marked out here in yellow. Notice the angles which are marked out in yellow. See, in different angles they are doing dancings. So they marked with yellowish to know the angles of each person. To know the angles of each person. Turn the page, children, page number 174. Are you observing this figure? Are you observing this figure? An angle is forward. So an angle is forward when two rays meet at a point. These are two rays. When two rays meet at a point, the rays only are called the arms of the angle. These rays are called arms of the angle. Meeting point of these two rays is called vertex. Are you saying meeting point of these two rays is called vertex? So an angle is always named with capital letter. Named with capital letter. For example, angle AOB. How it will be represented in this manner? So we need to write angle AOB. Okay. So the representation of angle is in this form. Next. Here OA and OB are two rays meeting at common point O to form an angle. So OA and OB are two rays are observed meeting at common point O to form an angle. So O is called the vertex of the angle AOV. O is called vertex of angle AOV. How they represented, see the angle. So can you think of angles around us? Yes, I can see angles in these. Are you seeing these figures? In this also we can see the angles. So angles in letters. They have here an example. This diagram. Are you observing this diagram? So name all possible angles in letter X. This diagram represents pictorially in the X form. So in letter X, we need to represent name the all possible angles. Yes. First we will give AOC. Next AOB. Next angle AOC. Next angle BOC. Next angle BOD. After that DOC. AOD. Isn't it? This is the form of representing angles from the given figure. Understood, children? How to write the angles? So let us start my practice time 1. Okay. Page number 175. Page number 175. So see here. See this figure. Name all possible angles in the following figures. What are the possible angles here in the figure A? First is angle AEV. You can go with angle AEV, angle BEC, angle CED, again angle AEC, next angle AED, next angle VED. So these are the possible angles in figure A.